mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. September 14, 2024, Saturday Racing. Umpisa ng karera, as usual, pag-araw ng Sabado, alas 3 ng hapon, 7 races, lahat ng karera ay may distansyang 1,400 meter run. Bago po ang ating mga cool choices, shout out tayo sa tropang Batang Novaliches. Happy racing sa tropang Batang Novaliches. God bless all. Race number 1, first choice, and at only choice na, number 5, Electrify. Race number 2, first choice, number 1, Gamer Winner. Second choice, number 4, Grand Jackpot. Race number 3, first choice, number 2, Save My Savings. Second choice, number 6, Maasahan. Race 4, first choice, number 7, Rainy Days. Second choice, number 2, Bright Mind. Race number 5, first choice, number 3, Wild is the Win. Second choice, number 4, Parisian Light. Race 6, race na may pentafecta. First choice, number 7, Den. Second choice, number 3, Heaven and Earth. Last race, race 7, race na may Super 6. First choice, number 9, Bohemian. Second choice, number 1, Star of the Future. At third choice, number 7, Lucky No. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!